This is a video about managing the views in ArcGIS Pro. Typically, you may have three views: the contents and the map and the catalog. You may situate them as here, the content to the left, the map in the middle, the catalog to the right. That's how I like to have it. But you can loosen these and situate them wherever you want, or just have them loose, even outside of your ArcGIS Pro extension. I like to have them to the right, so I'll situate it over this docking icon, and it will be docking there. If you by accident close these, you can easily get them by activating the view and click on Catalog pane. That will open the catalog, and the contents, which will open the content. Here under View, you also see a Python window, which can be used to write Python script, but I write all my Python script in the notebooks. I have here in this project already a notebook, but in some project you may not have it, and then you need to insert a new notebook, or you need to add and browse for an existing notebook. So just as you may have one or more maps, you can have one or more databases, you can have one or more notebooks. You open the notebooks, right-clicking it and select Open. And this also is a window you can situate as you will. And now it is blocking the view of the map. So I tend to just drag it and dock it right next to the catalog. We can also modify the width just by moving the edges.